Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is package day. I've been waiting long enough. Another one's come out of home quarantine, and this one is from Southampton Lockpicking Club. Check out their YouTube channel. I'll leave you a link in the description below. Fabulous bunch of people. Barry runs it. I put out a call last year for some help. I wanted to repay a favour from a mate, and all they asked for was some channel stickers. So I put out a call to the lockpicking community. If anyone's got any spare channel stickers, can they help out? So Southampton Lockpicking Club, they were the central point to send your stickers to, so they could forward them on to me. Boom. Doesn't look like a sticker box, does it? No, there's something else in here. So I know there's something for me, and I know there's something for the person that I wanted to get the stickers for. Now that person is called Don'z Lockz. Now you will know Don'z Lockz because I've shown you the box of goodies he sent me. Now, Don said that I'm to open what is there for him, so I will be showing what Don's has got as well. Okay. Alright. That's them. Oh wow, okay, I'll read this out. Hope this package finds you well, my friend. We have sent you the spare stickers and cards we have for other lock sporters as requested for Don'z Lockz. We have also included our own sticker along with an additional keyring and mug for you to address and send on to him for us. As you've not received anything from ourselves up until now, we have also sent you a package with one of our keyring stickers and mugs too. Fabulous. We have added an extra Lotto lock, haha, cool, to have fun with, to add to my collection. Keep up all the amazing work you are doing on your awesome channel. We greatly appreciate all your videos as well as your fantastic contributions both to ourselves and the wider lock sport community. With our kindest regards and best wishes, all at Southampton Lock Picking Club. Very, very cool. And I just realised I've got their name wrong on my bottle. Southampton have a sponsor, Lock Picking Club. So it's SLPC, not SH. SLPC. Alright, we'll just fix that up. Take the H out. So that's them. Very cool. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, here we go. This is for Don's. There you go, Don's. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, we shall open Don's package first. Okay. Alright, this is for Don'z. Dear Don, hope this package finds you well, my friend. After your request to Pocket Women recently asking for some other Lockz border stickers in return for your kind parcel to her, we have responded to her request with a few we had spare, along with one of our own too. We have also included our keyrings, mugs, and hope you enjoy these. We appreciate all your continued support of the wider Locksport community. We hope you are able to make some videos again soon, but until then, hope you have a wonderful time ahead. Stay safe and well as always, with our kindest regards and best wishes, all at Southampton Lock Picking Club. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's cool. It's very cool. It's got the YouTube thing on it as well. Oh, that is just sweet. That is so cool. Don's is gonna love that. Absolutely love it. And here's the stickers and keyrings for Don. Let's try not to rip into it. Gentle. Whoa! Oh, very cool. Okay, we've got a UK lock pickers. I recognise that. That's Rook Knight. Falling all over the place here. We've got a Crez Capoon. Revs Picks. Southampton Lock Picking Club. And the keyring. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for organising all this for us. That's greatly appreciated. And in this one will be these mugs are so cool, so cool. Woohoo! Don'z, we're twins, mate. Very, very nice. And my own sticker and keyring, very, very cool. It goes up on my spot. And the Lotto lock. Look how tag out. Oh, this one's had a life and a half. Whoa! Look at that bedding. What brand is this? Beian. Sure. Can't see. Beian. Well, that's interesting. Never heard of that before. It's quite a weighty lock. It's got the word lock on the bottom. Lock it that way, unlock it that way. Oh, very smooth operation. Oh wow, that is smooth as that. Oh, very nice lock. Well, I'm going to have fun with that. Oh, thank you very much. That is greatly appreciated. Wow. How lucky are we that we've got such a wonderful, sharing, caring, supportive, encouraging community. Thank you all so much for contributing to the stickers. Thank you very much to Southampton Lock Picking Club. Thank you very much to Don'z Lockz. And we'll see you all again soon. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.